Yep. Make your circle as big as you can. Go, go, push. Don't let her be lazy. Push, push, push. There you go. Get that flex. Flex, flex, flex. There you go. Whenever you're ready. Keep your hands low. Go again. Twist forward. There you go. Good job. Good job, Denise. No. I don't think so. Good. Don't brace your hand. There you go. Wrong lead. Dang. Yep. Go. Go. Good. There you go. Good. Flex it to the outside. Good. There you go. Relieve the pressure. Sit back and squeeze. Back and squeeze. Squeeze. Good. Great. Get your balance again. There you go. She's on the correct one. Keep her slow. Yep. Keep her slow. Slow her down. There you go. But keep her flexed. Don't let her over.